Hey everybody, I'm going to do number 44 on our homework. Sorry for the poor lighting conditions, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, so number 44 starts out with a battery. And then comes over, around resistor number 3, over, back around, and then in here there's R1, R2, R4. Alright, so the battery they gave us is 24 volts, R1 is 12 ohms, R2 is 12 ohms, R3 is 12 ohms, and R4 is 6 ohms. Alright, so, and what do they want? They want us to find out what IT is. So we know ET is going to be 24 volts. IT, we don't know. And RT, we don't yet know that either. And as the teachers have all said on your get ready to take the test, E, I, R inside of a circle helps you remember the formula. So that's what we're looking at right now. So basically, again, this is a series parallel circuit. So we've got a parallel section here. We've got a parallel section here with this. But then this parallel section is in series with this. So let's go ahead and first figure out what the total resistance of R1 and R2 is. So I'm just going to call that R1, comma 2 is going to equal, basically it's 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12, but we also know that when two resistors are both the same resistance, you can just do the resistance of the resistors divided by the number of legs. So in this case we have 2, so 1 over 12, 1 over 12, so we're going to go ahead and skip that long part of the math. So we'll just do 12 over 2 equals 6 ohms for this leg. So this section right here is 6 ohms of resistance. And then we need to figure out what this leg is here. So then we've got R1, 2 plus, because this is in series, R4 equals our 6 ohms here, so 6 plus our R4 here, which is 6, which equals 12 ohms. So now this leg here, the two parallels here and this resistor here, the 6 ohm resistor R4, so I should say R1, 2, 4 equals 6 plus 6, so 12 ohms. Alright, so this leg here is 12 ohms. And now we have a parallel circuit again, parallel circuit. We've got 12 ohms in this whole leg and 12 ohms over here. So again, now we're looking at the total resistance of the whole circuit because we've simplified it down, just like simplifying fractions. We've simplified it down into one leg here and one leg here. So now our 1, 2, 4 along with R3 is again parallel circuit. So we got 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12, and then we're not going to do that again because just like we had before, if two legs of the parallel circuit are both the same resistance, then you just take the resistance and divide it by how many legs. So in this case we're going to do 12 over 2, which equals 6 ohms. So now and that equals RT. So RT is 6 ohms because RT now has taken into account this small parallel circuit, this longer parallel slash series circuit, and then this circuit with this, which has been the parallel. So now we know RT is 6 ohms. So using our formula, E equals IR, in this case we know E, so how do we find I? I equals E over R, which in this case is 24 divided by 6, which equals 4 amps. And the answer to number 44 on the series parallel circuit problems is 4 amps. If anybody has any questions, just email me and we'll go from there.